Good evening, candidates. Uh, yeah, now I'm going to tell you about Adda 24/7 interview preparation kits. When I'm giving you two links, and if you buy applying through these links, you'll be getting a discount. For example, there is one SBI CBO mock interview and complete preparation. And this is the link for that. If you click that link, you'll be taken to a page like this, which tells about SBI CBO interview complete batch with local languages live classes. That's what they say. And what you will get is also offered here. What are the subtopics you will be covered are offered here. And there is one more link which if you clear, you can know about class study plan. You can know about class study plan. You can know about class study plan, how it will go about, and all those things are given. So the first thing is if you click, you will be taken to a page which gives details about buying this complete batch with local languages and live classes. And here it is so told it's offered at 6,049. But if you are interested in buying, you can press this buy now, and then you'll be taken to a page where you will have to give the details and also email. In other words, you can plus view offers, and if you go to this page and type your email id, you type your email id and give and the give the code as C1 SIVAN. Once you give that and press apply, it will give you at the rate of 4,415 rupees. So you can buy this for 4,415 only when you use the link I have provided, and also give the another one C1 code therein. You will get, you can see that one. Supposing there is one more link, this link is about interview preparation only. This is about interview preparation only, and this goes like this. Here they tell you about 80 hours video classes which include banking operations, banking and finance, current affairs, personality development, interview skills, SBI corporate culture, corporate communication. Like this they give you this coupon, and right now it is offered at 3,299. But because you have come through the link that is given to you and press this view offers, you will be given further discount also. Supposing I give another email id here, another email id here, and then put the coupon as C1 SIVAN, and I press apply, I will be offered at this rate 2,408.27. So this is how you'll be getting it at a lower price when you use the two links that I have provided. You can decide to go for SBI mock interview and complete preparation package, or SBI CBO interview preparation package only also, using these two links. Further, apart from this link, if you apply the code SIVAN, the code that you have to use is SIVAN. Once you do that, you will be getting considerable discount, and you can buy it at a reduced price. So this is what I wanted to tell you. I have been offering guidance to people for preparation. The thing is, I'm not able to do it fully. So this offer has come from Adda 24/7. I thought it will be really good. You can avail it off. You can also do one thing. You can take this, and whenever you feel like having a mock interview also, you can come to me. This is my offer to you. So I request such of those people who can afford to pay for this and buy this, so that you get sufficient material for your use, and you always have the assistance from my side also. This is what I wanted to tell you. And apart from this, if some of us have some say doubts or queries, you know my email ID. I'm giving this, and you can send email to this samba.s7@gmail.com, so that I can clarify you. Now, the object of this video is to tell you about the discount link that has been offered through me by Adda 24/7. One, for SBI mock interview complete preparation. Once you use that, now I think the resultant package is 4,415 only. Now, supposing use this one, SBI CBO interview preparation, the package comes to 2,408. The subjects offered, etc., those details are given in the link itself. So, yeah, and it seems they offer it with the local language also. You can make use of that service also from them. So, this is the point I wanted to tell you. So, candidates who are appearing for CBO mock, if you are interested, you can buy Adda 24/7 materials at a discount using these links. I will provide these links. I will provide these links in my, say, in the Telegram page itself, so that you can make use of this one. I hope if you have any doubts, you can always refer to me. Thank you so much. Best wishes.